Salut, comment ça va? Welcome back to my channel Say Français. In today's video, we are going to be studying the subject pronouns, les pronoms sujets. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe so you don't miss any videos in the future. Let's begin. So, as we have pronouns in English, same way we have pronouns in French, though there is a difference over here. So, let's look at them in detail. So, just like we have in English, we have the pronouns based on the person. So, you have the three persons, first person, second person, and third person. And you have the singular and plural forms of those particular persons. So, for first person singular, in English is I, in French we say je. Second person singular is you in English, in French is tu. For third person, which is he and she, in English we have il, which means he, elle, which means she. So over here now in English we have he, she and it, but for it we don't have a particular word as such in French, but we can use il and elle for it. So if we are talking about a person, then the meaning changes to he and she, and if we are talking about a thing, we can use il and elle depending upon the gender of that noun. In the plural forms, we have for first person plural nous, which means we, second person plural vous, which means you, and third person plural they, which is ils and elles. They are pronounced just same il and l. We don't pronounce the last consonant s. So il and l both means they, but over here the difference is based on masculine plural and feminine plural. So ils means masculine plural they. If we are talking about, say for example, if we have all the boys in a group, we say il. If there are all the girls, we say elles, which is feminine plural. Now you will ask me if it is a mixture of both boys and girls together in a group or masculine feminine together in a group. We will use the masculine form of plural, which is ils, and not the feminine plural, as this is the rule in the French language. For masculine plural it is ils, feminine plural is elles, but if it is a mixture of both, we use the masculine one ils. Now we also have an indefinite pronoun in French, which is on. It is very rarely used in French, and the English equivalent can be one, someone, or we. Now you might ask me that there are two words for you, tu and vous. What is the difference between them? So the first difference is as it is shown over here, singular and the plural forms. There is also another difference. Let's look with an example. So if the teacher wants to talk to a student, she will address him or her with tu. And if the student wants to talk to a teacher, he or she will address the teacher with saying vous. So this difference is based on formal conversation and informal conversation. So if it is a formal conversation, we use vous, and if it is an informal conversation, we use tu. Same way, if an elder is talking to a younger person, he or she will use tu, and if a younger person is talking to an elder, he or she will address them with vous. If two people of the same age, or if two people are friends or cousins or siblings, or if they know each other very well, they can address each other with tu. If the teacher is talking to a group of students, or if someone in general is talking to a group of people, we address them with vous. So that is the difference between tu and vous. Both of them means you in English. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was useful in any ways, hit the like button, and once again don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I am going to post more such videos related to the French culture and the French grammar. Au revoir. Bye.